What's going on, guys? Mosaic football. Cello box tonight. I love the Mosaic. I was breaking a lot of Mosaic back in the winter. Tons of it. So this is pretty cool to come back. Should have some more of this, guys, coming up for you too in the future here. Appreciate everybody joining up tonight. Wish everybody the best of luck. I'm ready. I'm ready to pull some pink mosaics. Maybe get a Genesis. That'd be sick. All right, guys, start cracking her open. Nice, look at that. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. Let's do this. $12 Cello packs, Mosaic football. Tyrann Mathieu, Emmitt Smith, Brian Dawkins, Green Mosaic, LaVisca Chenault rookie, nice. That's sick. There you go, Jacksonville. Patrick Mahomes, will to win. That's nice. And Keyshawn Vaughn, rookie. I like the first green. It's sick. He'll be fun to watch next year with the new guy throwing to him. Mark Andrews, Christian McCaffrey, Devontae Parker, Steve Young. We have a silver rookie, Anthony McFarland Jr. Nice. And Calais Campbell, Pro Bowl. Camo pack number 1. Pink camos. Jordy Nelson. Derrick Henry. That's sick. And did we hit a rookie debut, maybe? Chase Young, NFL debut. Nice. That's awesome. Barry Sanders, Luke Kuechly, A.J. Brown. Man, these cards look really clean. Green Mosaic, Nick Bosa. And we have a got game, Tom Brady. Nice. That's sick. And for the RC, Darrington Evans. To the Titans. Peyton Manning, Tyler Boyd, Marshawn Lattimore, Charles Woodson, Silver Mosaic, Old School, Julius Peppers, and Steve Young, Hall of Fame. Here we go. Pink pack number 2. Boom. Hollywood Brown. Daniel Hunter. And we have an RC, James Morgan, for the rookie. Aaron Rodgers, Darius Leonard, Gronkowski, Silver Mosaic, Jacob Eason, debut rookie. Flea Flicker to the Saints. And we got a rookie in the back. J.K. Dobbins, base rookie. Nice. I love J.K. He's sick. Deion Sanders, Calvin Johnson, Mike Evans, Aaron Donald, Old School, Barry Sanders, and Jerry Jeudy, NFL debut. I like Jeudy. He's a good player. Here we go. More pink camos. Boom. Julius Peppers. Starting us off. Eli Manning. And a rookie, Darrington Evans. There you go, Tennessee. Jordy Nelson. Julius Peppers. Ooh, we got some green in this one. Darius Slayton. Green Mosaic. Joe Mixon. Touchdown Masters. Jerry Rice. And for the rookie, James Morgan. Dwight Freeney, Baker Mayfield, Richard Sherman. Randy Moss. And we have another green Mosaic Got Game, Jimmy Garoppolo. And Chase Young, base NFL debut. Kid Reporter. And more pink camos. Roger Staubach. Richard Sherman. And did we hit? No, Terry Bradshaw, Hall of Fame. Carlos Hyde, Roquan Smith, Curtis Martin. We have a silver Mosaic, Deshaun Watson. Roger Staubach, old school. And for the rookie, Tua, nice. Base Tua rookie. There you go, Carl. It's a nice one. Travis Kelce, Jason Witten, Jared Goff, Jimmy Garoppolo. We have a touchdown Masters, silver Mosaic, Dan Marino. More for Miami, and Deshaun Watson Pro Bowl. More pinks. Boom. Chris Jones. Joey Bosa. And we have a rookie. Boom. Jeff Okudah to the Lions. Amari Cooper, Michael Vick, Marshall Faulk, green Mosaic, Tom Brady to the Patriots. Nice. There you go, New England. That's awesome. Flea Flicker to the Ravens and Jalen Reagor, base rookie. I like the Brady. That's nice. Ouch. Not the glare, though. Kenny Galladay. Tre'Davious White. Jerry Rice. Tom Brady base. And we have a silver, Myles Garrett to the Browns. And Troy Polamalu, Hall of Fame. And more pink camos. Man, I love the pink camo packs. Let's do it. 3 more. Boom. AJ Green. Tiki Barber. And Cam Akers. Debut. Nice. I like that one. What'll be? That was the halfway mark. We got 6 left. AJ Green. Chris Jones. Nick Boza. Ooh, yes, we got a Genesis. Boom, John Brown to the Bills. There you go, Buffalo. Flea Flicker to the Packers and Jeff Okuda, base rookie. John Brown Genesis. It's pretty sick. Roger Staubach. Hollywood Brown. Sony Michel. Ryan Tannehill. Troy Aikman. And Terry Bradshaw, Hall of Fame. Man, that was a dud pack. Here we go. More pinks. Gardner Minshew. James Conner. And we hit a rookie. DeAndre Swift to the Lions. Nice. Troy Aikman, Ed Reed, Cameron Jordan, Green Mosaic, Sony Michel to the Patriots. Ezekiel Elliott got game. And for the new guy, T. Higgins. Herman Moore, DJ Moore, back-to-back Moores. Marcus Mariota, Zach Ertz, Will to Win, Drew Brees. His last year card. And a Tua NFL debut. Nice. Here we go. More pinks. T.Y. Hilton. Kevin Byard. And for the rookie, A.J. Terrell to the Falcons. Thurman Thomas, Will Fuller, George Kittle. We have a green mosaic, Tyreek Hill. Christmas looking. Derrick Henry, touchdown masters. And for the new guy, Cole Kmet to the Bears. Nice. I like Cole. He's sick. Joe Mixon. Tyreek Hill. Adrian Peterson. Warren Sapp. And green mosaic. Old school, Joe Namath. It looks sick with the green and the green. Peyton Manning, MVPs. And Kid Reporter. Here we go. Boom. Stephon Diggs. More for Buffalo. Julian Edelman. And Russell Wilson. Pro Bowl. Nick Chubb, Christian Kirk, Howie Long, green mosaic, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, debut, nice. That's sick. Daniel Johnson, will to win, and AJ Terrell, rookie. There you go, Chiefs. That's awesome. Stephon Diggs, T.Y. Hilton, Donovan McNabb, Dan Marino. We have a silver, Landon Collins, and Cam Akers, NFL debut. More pinks. Barry Sanders, that's sick. Dan Marino. And Calais Campbell to the Jags. Two more packs, guys. Matt Judon, Brett Favre, Daniel Hunter, green mosaic, Dan Marino. That's sick. Touchdown Masters, Peyton Manning. And for the rookie, Justin Herbert, base rookie. There you go, Chargers. That is sick. Teddy Bridgewater, Adam Vinatieri, Derrick Henry base, Eli Manning, Got Game, Miles Sanders, and Russell Wilson, Pro Bowl. Pinks, boom, Baker Mayfield, Donovan McNabb, and a rookie, Keyshawn Vaughn. Oh, here we go, our last one. Last pack magic, let's do it. I know we already hit a Genesis, but you never know. Marlon Mack, Tyler Eifert, Kevin Byard. We have a green Mosaic, Will Fuller, Jerry Rice, old school, and Justin Jefferson, base rookie. Nice. That's a good one. Go Vikings, sneaking in late Justin there. Kyler Murray, Drew Lock, Tiki Barber, Joey Boza, green Mosaic, Will to Win, Jerry Rice, and Brian Urlacher, Hall of Fame. Three more pinks. Let's see what we got. Dwight Freeney, Howie Long, and boom, Steve Young, Hall of Fame. Awesome, guys. Appreciate everyone's time tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed the break. Definitely like doing the Mosaic football. It's fun stuff. We are doing optic football tomorrow night, so check us out on eBay for that. And I'm going to we'll get another couple football in next week as well. So thank you guys, and everybody have a good night. We'll see you guys again.